Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition and we're going to create our own project. So we're in a project, called Bat Cave. So we're going to make an animal cave. So first we need an on-chat command when you type cave in the chat.
Because it's Bat Cave?
Yeah. You need a time set day, so it will be morning, which right now maybe is morning, I don't know. Then you need a repeat loop. Repeat 50 times. Fill with air from -1, 0, -1. So we'll make a lot of air blocks around us that are invisible. 1, 2, 1.
So we're gonna clear the area out.
Yeah. Then we need a variable called Bat Cave, and then you set Bat Cave
to player world position.
Player world's position. So this variable will be set to our position, which is right here. So then you have pause.
Pause for 10,000 milliseconds.
Which is 10 seconds.
Yeah, 10
then
seconds.
Time set dusk.
So it'll be more scary, and that matches the theme of bats.
Yeah, because they're supposed to be in dark caves, and then it repeat 200 times. So it's spawning a lot of bats. Let's do 100 because we'll do more than one type of animal.
And
then
spawn.
Spawn, of course, bats because it's called bat. Where's bat? Here?
Yeah.
Bat and
the variable Bat Cave. So it'll spawn the bats where we are.
Yeah. And then we can duplicate this and then just spawn another animal. We're gonna do.
Let's do. How about
B? Because it's not a file.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do this first. Okay. Now we're going to do see it in Python. So Bat Cave, which is variable, position equals none, so there's no value. Then def on chat, so it's a function. Global Bat Cave, so we can use the Bat Cave variable anywhere. And gameplay.time set gameplay.time day, so we set it to daytime. And for index and range 50, so repeat 50 times and do blocks fill air position -1, 0, -1, and position 1, 2, and 1. So clear the area out. And then we'll do the Bat Cave variable equals player position. So we'll give the Bat Cave variable a value, which is our position. Then we're gonna loops.pause for 10 seconds. Then gameplay.time set gameplay.time dusk. So we're gonna change it to dusk. And then for index 2 and range 100. So we're gonna repeat 100 times mob.spawn bat at Bat Cave position.
So it's where we're standing right now.
Yeah, and B at Bat Cave position. And player.onChat cave, when you type cave in the chat, it'll run the first. Okay. Now you can see our bouncing pigs.
And slime box.
We're gonna go up on this hip. You can see our agent.
Hi, agent.
Now we're gonna do cave. Okay, it's setting to dusk. Now it's gonna spawn over there.
10 seconds to escape. 10.
Oh, so many of them.
It's 200 of them.
Yeah, they all spawn at the same position. Now it's a storm.
It's a storm! Help! It's a storm!
Now they're all over the place.
It stopped spawning! Why don't we spawn other mobs that are ground mobs?
Okay.
What should we spawn? Spawn more bats, of course, because they look more creepy.
And I want
Parrots? Zombie horse?
How about villager or
No.
mushroom? Villager or mushroom?
Mushroom.
Okay. Now it's dusk.
And then cave. Okay. It's morning again.
Run!
Run. Splash into the water. Hide. Is it spawning yet? Oh, mushrooms and that. A lot of bats again. Mushrooms everywhere.
So many counters.
Mushroom mania. Wait, I think I saw a baby.
Baby.
Yeah, a baby right there.
Baby.
Can you see?
Hi, baby.
It doesn't have mushrooms on its back yet.
Hi, baby.
It's a little bit creepy because their eyes are so black. It's creepy.
Dun dun. Dun dun. Okay. We're gonna do another mob.
So let's do a ocean mob, maybe in the ocean.
Okay, we're gonna do sea creature, and then here, we're gonna do land, a village. Okay.
But wait, we need to move before we run the code.
Okay, so first, let's just spawn dolphins.
Wait, but we need to move,
Yeah.
or else it will spawn.
I'm gonna go in here. They're always square. Okay. So, okay. Run.
Oh, it cleared the water. Look at it. It's like a whirlpool now.
Yeah.
There's a lot of Creature mania.
Oh my.
Wait, those are sea turtles?
Yeah.
I thought you
They're
said
coming out
dolphins.
of the air. They're coming out of
Oh,
the
because
air.
when it set the bat cave, we were actually in the air.
Yeah. Whee! It's full of
It's
turtles.
a sea turtle pool.
It's like a super crowded pool. They're all squishing into each other. The ones on land can have more space.
Yeah, but still not too much and very noisy. Let's spawn the dolphins. Wait.
Wait, we first need to. I want to spawn the villagers.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Go down fast or they will hit the
No,
land.
I didn't do it yet. I didn't.
Oh yeah, you need to type. I always forget that. Cave. Run. Will it spawn in midair again? Maybe.
Mob mania. Da, da, da. Okay.
Did the villager spawn yet?
No, it didn't. It's not dusk yet. Oh, dude.
Oh,
Right.
wait. I think it's behind you. Oh,
They're out of the. They're out of the air.
There's a lot of different kinds.
They're freezing sometimes. They're freezing.
There's too much. They all look up. What if you get emeralds? Get an emerald and they will hold items you can trade.
Okay.
Get an emerald because we're in creative mode. So,
Okay.
emerald. Emerald. Okay, let's see. Hold the emerald now. See?
They're
hold
all
up the
holding items. Oh, hi, baby villager. All holding items. Oh, enchanted
Good
book. Hi, librarian. Bread. These
I
two
like
guys are
farmers.
twins.
No, almost
Leather armor.
armor. Wow, map. Axe.
The ones that are near me are all looking.
Yeah, because they want to trade. Why don't you tap one to trade? Which one is worthy?
I'm gonna do random, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, fish.
Flexler.
Flex.
Arrow.
Arrow, you can't.
I'm gonna level it up.
Yeah, but we're wasting our, Okay.
Yay! It leveled up. Okay.
Okay, another one.
Okay. We're gonna do have 3 villagers. Okay, this is the same.
You're lucky. Okay, let's say today again because it's kind of dark.
Okay. Cartographer. Map.
Map. Okay, thank you. Last one. One want to trade for wait here. One want to trade for wood planks. Okay, one more. Who will it be?
Librarian. Oh, it needs an enchanted book to get an enchanted book multi-shot.
Oh yeah, it's hard.
So sorry.
So, oh wait, it's not
Right,
this.
this is the flusher. This is another flusher. Okay. How about
Random. Wait,
I'm gonna go
villagers
to-
ran to the here to the turtle pool.
and do with this farmer. Lucky farmer. Bread.
It always treats bread.
These are farmers. They're level 1.
I like farmers. Eventually, I like to work as a farmer. Ooh, pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Then cookie.
Okay. We're almost.
It's money, villagers. Money for free.
We're
But they
not
don't
getting
collect
it.
it.
They only trade. They won't take free stuff. Wait. Are they taking it?
Of course not. See? After you drop all of them, they stop holding. You see their items disappear and they... Oh, light, it's a lava pool.
Okay. So now, where should we spawn?
Dolphins.
Okay.
This is the last thing we're going to spawn. Go into water or into the turtle cave. Should we go to the turtle?
To the sea.
Okay. Okay, go to sea. Now, cave. Don't move for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can move now.
Help!
Why do you shout help?
I don't want to be bombarded by dolphins.
Oh, that villager is swimming.
Wait, are they spawning?
Oh.
They all spawned.
Oh, that's so cute. Wait, there's no baby dolphins. Or is there? I don't think so. But dolphins look so cute. It's like the ones that are low are school dolphins. That means still learning. But the ones that are up are more mature.
Swimming, I'm swimming.
With the dolphins. Wee. There's a lot of air bubbles. Stay low.
Ooh.
Stay low. Do you like it? But I need to get some air. I'm not a water animal. I need to get some air.
Ooh, stone.
What's secret? Wait.
What's that? There's a dolphin.
Wait.
It glitched.
Wait, I need to get some air. Does the dolphin need to get some air? I don't think so.
I can break the whole seaweed. I just do. And now they're floating up.
Because that's how they are. Okay, let's get up.
Yeah. Okay. Should we spawn one more mob?
What should it be? Parrot? Okay. Yeah, parrot. Parrot. I want to see the different kinds of parrot.
See, we have...
Parrot.
I want...
Parrot.
Tropical fish. There's also lots of... Which one?
Tropical fish.
Okay.
They look prettier. Don't spawn them with the dolphins.
Okay. And go here.
Oh, the librarian gets to see us in action. Lucky. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we can go.
It's glitching. Okay. Run, swim, swim.
Okay, let's be in the front seats like the farmers and villagers. Front seat.
Ooh.
Oh, right as Andrew hit the sand or
So beautiful, all kinds of them.
If only we could add coral, it would be like more beautiful.
Yeah, it would be a coral reef.
Wow. Which one is Nemo?
Nemo. Isn't there a Nemo?
This one. No, it's not in shape.
This one?
I think it's hard.
Nemo?
Kinda.
More of a goldfish.
Yeah.
Let's see.
There's a lot of different kinds.
See. That one, Nemo?
Yeah, that one.
Hi, Nemo. Nemo.
It's kind of weird. It's gold. It's not white.
What is the closest we could find?
Yeah, it's swimming towards the sand. Hey villagers, fishermen, do you want these tropical fish?
Okay.
I'll say no to you.
Really good. Like, help. Help. I don't want to get drowned.
Or get the tropical fishes. Creepy.
The baby mushrooms in the bush.
Creepy.
Hide and seek.
So creepy.
Playing hide and seek.
Yeah, but I win because I found you.
Yay.
Let's jump into the water again to see the dolphins / tropical fish. Jump.
We're actually in here.
Jump. Jump. It's
Tropical fish.
They spread.
Okay.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.